Hi, good day. I'm Bettina Carlos Centeno, a graduate of Bachelor of Education, major in preschool education, and I am to present a video presentation of my teaching demonstration in English. The topic is about this is and that is. This presentation will immediately proceed to the lesson proper.
Everybody say, this is. Again. First. When are we going to use this again? If it's near or far? Near. Let's have some examples. I have here this. This is a. Okay, this is a pen. So is the pen near to me or far from me? Near to me. So if it's near, what are we going to use? This is. Next, I have here, and what's this? What do we call this fruit? Okay, this is an apple. Is the apple near to me or far from me? Near to me. So, what are you going to use if the object is near to me? This is. So, everybody say, this is an apple. Again, this is an apple. Next one. This one is this. An object where you place your money. Okay, this is a wallet. So, is the wallet near to me or far from me? It is near to me. So if it's near to me, what are we going to use? This is. So everybody say, this is a wallet. Again, this is a wallet. Next, what's this? Hairbrush. So this is a hairbrush. Is the hairbrush near to me or far from me? It is near to me. So we are going to use this is. So everybody say, this is a brush. Again, this is a brush. We have here a storybook or a book. So is the storybook near or far from me? It is near. So what are we going to use? This is. Everybody say, this is a book. Again, this is a book. Okay. Now what are we going to use if the object is far from us? Again, okay, that is. So we are going to stretch our hands if we're pointing to an object far from us, okay? Let's start. Where is the clock? Let's all point to the clock. Okay, is it near from me or far from me? It is far from me. So everybody say, that is a clock. Again, that is a clock. Next, everybody point to our blackboard. Where's our blackboard? Okay, there is our blackboard. Everybody say, that is a blackboard. That is a blackboard. Okay. Next, can you point to our shelf? Our shelf. Okay, there is one more shelf. So everybody say, that is a shelf. Again, that is a shelf. What else is far from us? Okay, the light. Everybody, let's point up. Okay, that is our light. Everybody say, that is a light. That is a light. Okay. And last, what else? Let's point to our aircon. Where's our aircon? There's our aircon. So is it near from me or far from me? It is far. So everybody say, that is an aircon. Again, that is an aircon. I have here different pictures and you are going to point to me or give me the one that I am asking. Who wants to go first? Come here. Okay. Let's have the two pictures. Okay, which picture shows this is? Kindly point to me. Okay. Again, point to me the picture that shows this is. What is the boy holding? Flower. So is the flower near or far? It's near. So these pictures use this is. Say this is a flower. Okay. How about the picture that shows that is? Okay. Is the bird far or near from the boy? It is far. He stretched his arm. It is far from the boy. So say that is a bird. Okay, thank you. Go back to your seat. Everybody say, this is a flower. Again. Now, say, that is a bird. That is a bird. Next. Kindly point to me the picture that shows that is. That is. Okay, that is. Because the star is? Okay, it is far from the boy. So say, that is a star. Now, point to me the picture that shows this is. Okay. What is he holding? A ball. So the ball is near to him. Okay. So, say, this is a ball. Okay, thank you. Everybody say, this is a ball. Now say, that is a star. Again, that is a star. Next. Point to me the picture that shows that is. Well, that is. Okay. Because he stretched his arm to point the, what's that? The butterfly. So say, that is a butterfly. That is a butterfly. Okay. Next, which picture shows this is? Give it to me. Give. Okay, give it to me. He is holding the gift. So, we use this is. So, this is a gift. Again, this is a gift. Okay. Everybody say, this is a gift. Again, this is a gift. Next, that is a butterfly. That is a butterfly. Let's have the next one. Point to me the picture that shows this is. This is. Okay, this is near. So, the boy is holding the, what's that? The book. So, say, this is a book. This is a book. Now, point to me the picture that shows that is. Okay, that is, what's that? A kite. So, say, that is a kite. Again. Very good. Thank you. Go back to your seat. Everybody say, this is a book. Again, this is a book. Next. That is a, again, that is a kite. And last, point to me the picture that shows that is. That is. Okay. What's that? A table. So say, that is a table. Okay, very good. Next, point to me the picture that shows this is. Okay, that's a, what's this? What's this? What is he holding? A balloon. So say, this is a balloon. Again. Okay. Everybody say, that is a table. Again. Next. This is a balloon. Again. Very good. Now for those who are not been called yet, you're going to sort the pictures now this time. Under, this is, and under, that is. Again, this is, that is. Okay. Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Okay, right here. This picture shows this is or that is. Place it under the label. Is the gift near or far first? Okay. Is the gift near or far? It is near. So it is under. This is a gift. Again. Okay. Next. Let's move it here. Is the flower near or far from the boy? It is near. So what are we going to use? This is or that is? Okay, very good. Thank you. Next. Is it near or far from the boy? The table. It is far. So what are you going to use? This is or that is? Are you sure? Okay. That is. Next. Is the ball near or far from the boy? It is near. So where are you going to place it? This is or that is? Okay, under this is. Next. Where is she pointing? She's pointing for the star. So it is far, so that is. Okay. Next. Is the bird near or far? Far. So where are you going to place it? Okay, that is. Next. This. Okay, it's near. So this is very good. Next. Is it far? Is the kite far? Okay, it's far, so you use that is. Next. Are you sure? Isn't it far from the boy? No, it's near, so we use this is. And last, come here. That is or this is? That is. Okay, because the butterfly is near or far? It's far. Okay, everybody, let's read each picture using this is and that is. Let's use this is first. Okay. This is a gift. This is a flower. This is a ball. This is a book. This is a balloon. Okay. Next, let's have that is. That is a table. Next, that is a star. That is a bird. That is a kite. And last, that is a butterfly. Very good. Again, what did we discuss for today? It's all about using what? This is and that is. When are we going to use this is? If we are pointing to one object, near or far? Near. And how about for that is? We use it when we are pointing to an object far from us. Very good. Okay.